A New Zealand tour company, Whakaari Management Limited, WML, has been found guilty of not adequately minimizing risk for the 22 people who tragically lost their lives in the 2019 White Island volcano eruption. Judge Evangelos Thomas criticized the company for astonishing failures. This case is the largest action of its kind initiated by New Zealand's regulator, Worksafe NZ, and WML may face fines of up to 1.5 million New Zealand dollars. The eruption in December 2019 resulted in the deaths of 22 people, nearly half of whom were tourists, including 17 from Australia and 3 from the US. Another 25 individuals sustained injuries, many suffering severe burns. The volcano, known as Whakaari in Māori, had exhibited signs of increased unrest for weeks before the deadly eruption and had been New Zealand's most active volcano, erupting in some form since 2011. 13 parties were charged in connection with the disaster, with WML being the last to receive a verdict. 6 had pleaded guilty, while 6 others had their charges dismissed. Sentences will be determined in February. WML is a privately owned company that inherited the volcano and licensed other tour operators. The company and its owners faced allegations of breaching workplace health and safety legislation, with the individual charges against them dismissed. The judge held that WML had a duty to manage and control the active volcano, emphasizing their failure to conduct proper risk assessments and engage with necessary experts. The disaster prompted an extensive investigation by Worksafe NZ, which was criticized for its failure to monitor activities on the island between 2014 and 2019. Tourism activities on White Island have not resumed since the eruption. Some tourists who purchased their tour tickets through Royal Caribbean Cruises have already reached settlements after suing the company in the US. Family members of the victims expressed relief and a sense of closure following the verdict.